Friends, one things I want to say you, please must subscribe channels because my channel name is Yadav English Speech. Friends, today I want to explain you whatever what is your ambition. Your ambition, how much do you care them? What I'm saying, please you listen. First of all, I am asking you what is your ambition and how much do you care them, and how much time do you give them? Please you remember. I know also that there are so much key, but which is that key? Which key is that which you will get success? Without key can't open your door. So if you want open door, for that you will take key. So this is main things. And what is your ambition? And you are thinking, how will I reach there? In some days ago, one peoples was saying that little knowledge man is very dangerous. In like this matter, one people was saying, if you are saying like this, little knowledge man is very dangerous happen, but please you tell me, how much did you success? Yeah, you are saying is little knowledge man is very dangerous happen. Please you tell me, if you have more mind, you have lot of knowledge, that please you tell me, how much did you success? You are also going to again by again out of area for earning, and you are saying little knowledge is very dangerous. And that people can say who had success, that people's matter I will tolerate, and you are saying now that your matter is not right. Your matter I take. If you success, I see that after that I take your matter. So friends, it means you are irritated. It means you are irritated. You don't tolerate what are I am doing. So friends, please you don't say shaman like this matter. What I'm saying, please you listen. You don't say like this matter. Friends, and one matter, in whatever you are doing, that you will not get yearly success. And can be you reached, but you don't know only one step is less. Yeah, It can be that you reached only one step is less. So friends, please you don't say like this matter. You say, okay, please you do something daily by daily, you discover new things, that you will get something. But who peoples, there are who peoples is doing new things, and you are saying only them. Please you don't say like this matter. Friends and bro, I want to explain you, whatever you are doing, please you continue to this. In like this I was making video, that is big doctor, that is name Asim doctor, who lives in Amrapada. Those doctor tell me, please friends, you continue in do this. One day in this language, one day in this language, you will get success, you will get recognized. And all of us recognize through this speech in this language. So friends, in like this, those doctor comment me. In that time, my heart is very happy. That time my heart is very loved and enthusiasm. And now you can say me that your speech is not good. And why are you saying like this? I also say this matter, that in now my English is not good, but I am preparing also, and will take time, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, but I can't leave this unless I will not complete. Friends, I have to say you, please, if you are reading, and you complete first of all study. In there are local area, in now as you are saying, especially 20 years, in 15 years boys, every boys is going on free fire. I want say you one matter, please you don't play, you don't go on mobile now, and you don't play free fire, and in this game you don't know about this history. In this game is doing waste your time and destroyed your life. So friends, please you alert. In you do in like this business, कि Shaman can't do your business, and when I will have money, that time I can do your business. But in whatever, in how much you will have money, you can't do my business. In like this I am doing. For that you have to prepare in 5 years the how much I prepared in this work, this job. If you want do like this business. So friends, and now I am also saying that please, my English is not happening good, but in 6 months after 1 year after, friends, one matter I am saying you, in about in 1 year ago, in this time as I am saying, I am speaking in one translate, I used to not speak. You can imagine, in now many translate, many lot of speech, lot of translate I can speak. Once upon time, one translate I used to not speak. So friends, it can be improved. If like this, you have to practice, and in like this, you daily by daily you read, you writing. That this is main things. Please you don't leave in writing and speaking and practice. And this is main things. If you want learn English, if you want friendly English, friendly speak in like this, as I am doing same way, you have to do this. In it is no any easy work. It is no short mind that you can learn. So friends, in I meet you tomorrow with next video.